In this video, I will show you how to remove guidelines from specific cells in Excel. Very simple and easy way. Select any particular area. In the fill color, select white color. So we can see these cells are without guidelines. You can select multiple rows, select them and fill color, select white color. Similarly, you can remove the guidelines from multiple columns, select them, fill color and select white. Perfect way to to remove these guidelines from entire worksheet. In the view tab, unselect guidelines. So this the in just one click you can remove guidelines from entire worksheet. Once you click another sheet, create, so it will appear, and first worksheet is the entire without guidelines. To get back them, select these guidelines, so it will appear again. And to remove this white color, entire sheet, select it and home tab. In the fill color, now this time select no fill, so it will back come from removed cells. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.